Hey guys, welcome back to Live with Mo. So today we're gonna make some dinner. Let's get right into it. So today we're gonna be making some roast chicken. Very easy. The carrots has already been peeled, so I'm just gonna rinse it off and I'm gonna slice it in half. And I'm just putting it on this very little baking tray. I think I might want to go for a slightly bigger one. Alright, so these are sweet potatoes and I've just rinsed them. I'm not going to peel these off, but what I'll do is I will cut this in half. I'll just make a line in the middle so it cooks more evenly. Now also, I have some pumpkin. Get rid of the seeds. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. Salt, pepper. This is optional, but I do have garlic salt, so I'll chuck this on as well. So that's about it for that. We'll put this aside. Now here I have chicken, some massive chunks of it, and already marinated in soy sauce, garlic, salt, pepper. You know what? I didn't add pepper on it, so I'll add pepper on it now. As usual, marinade, soy sauce, garlic, salt and pepper. I'll put the rest of the marinade on it. I'm gonna take these onions and sort of rest it right under the chicken. Just sprinkle these onions. If you're like me and you like experimenting with stuff, what I would do is I would take these pumpkin seeds and sprinkle that over the chicken. Wash your hands. Let's take a look at what we've got here. We have our sweet potato, pumpkin and carrot. And then we have our chicken with onions and the seeds from the pumpkin. Chuck it in the oven. Now the oven is preheated and I'm gonna put the chickens on the top because it's gonna take a while, and the oven is set to 180 degrees. And this sweet potatoes, well, they're easy to cook, so we'll put this on the bottom